Moving on to Part 3, General Provisions, this encompasses two chapters, Chapter 4 and Chapter 5. Chapter 4, of Aid and Information to the Magistrates, the Police, and Persons Making Arrests, covers Sections 42 to 45. This chapter elaborates on the duty and responsibility of individuals and authorities to aid and inform the police, magistrates, and those making arrests. This is integral to the smooth functioning of the law enforcement system. Chapter 5, of Arrest, Escape, and Retaking, is divided into two parts, Arrest Generally and Arrest Without Warrant. These sections, from 46 to 67, explain the general procedures for arrest, circumstances under which a person can be arrested without a warrant, and the protocols in case of escape and retaking. This is vital to safeguard the rights of individuals and to prevent misuse of power by law enforcement agencies.
We'll begin with summons, which spans from Sections 68 to 74. A summons is a legal document issued by a court to an individual involved in a legal proceeding. Section 68 outlines that every summons shall be issued by the presiding officer of a court in which the case is filed. Section 69 highlights the form of the summons. It should include the time and place for the appearance of the defendant. Moving on to Section 70, it details how the summons should be served. It must be served personally to the defendant, unless the court orders otherwise. Section 71, 72, and 73 delve into different situations where the summons can be served to the defendant's agent or family member, or through affixing it to a conspicuous part of the defendant's residence or workplace. Section 74, the final part of summons, discusses the procedure when the service cannot be effected as before mentioned. The next chunk of our discussion focuses on warrant of arrest, which includes Section 75 to 86A. A warrant of arrest is an order issued by a judge or magistrate that authorizes the police to arrest a person. Section 75 defines when a warrant may be issued, while Sections 76 to 78 detail the form, contents, and the procedure of the execution of the warrant. Sections 79 to 86 are further elaborate on the different scenarios and procedures involved in the execution of the warrant. Next, we have Proclamation and Attachment that covers Section 87 to 89. This is a method used to compel the appearance of a person who is absconding or hiding. Section 87 outlines the circumstances under which proclamation can be issued, while Section 88 details the attachment of property of the person absconding. Section 89 discusses the procedure to proclaim a person as an absconder. Following this, we delve into other rules regarding processes, which includes Section 90 to 93. These sections outline the various rules and regulations surrounding the issuance and service of summons, warrants, and proclamations. Lastly, we touch upon special rules regarding processes issued for service or execution outside Pakistan and processes received from outside Pakistan for service or execution within Pakistan, which spans from Section 93A to 93C. These sections provide specific provisions for cross-border legal processes. In sum, understanding these laws is crucial in ensuring that the legal processes are carried out in a fair and efficient manner.
Beginning with the summons to produce, this section highlights the procedures outlined between Section 94 to 95. It's a process that calls upon a person to produce a document or a tangible thing that may be pertinent to a legal proceeding. This process ensures that all relevant materials are available for examination in the court of law, thus enabling a fair and comprehensive assessment of the case. Next, we delve into search warrants. These are covered from Section 96 to 99G. A search warrant is a legal document authorized by a competent authority which permits law enforcement officers to search a particular location for evidence of a crime. The importance of this process lies in its ability to preserve the integrity of evidence and uphold the rights of individuals against unreasonable searches and seizures. Following this, we touch upon the discovery of persons wrongfully confined. This is addressed in Section 100. It involves the legal procedures to unearth and rescue individuals who have been wrongfully imprisoned. This process is crucial in upholding the fundamental human rights and freedom of individuals and in ensuring justice for those wrongfully confined. Subsequently, we explore the general provisions relating to searches. This spans from Section 101 to 103. These provisions lay out the broad guidelines to conduct searches, ensuring they are carried out in a lawful and respectful manner, balancing both the need for law enforcement and the respect for personal privacy. Finally, we have the miscellaneous section, which covers from Section 104 to 105. This section encompasses a variety of other legal processes and provisions not covered in the previous sections. These miscellaneous processes play a significant role in filling any gaps and addressing unique circumstances that may arise of Offences Act under Chapter 8, Security for Keeping the Peace and for Good Behavior. This chapter is a testament to the importance of maintaining peace and promoting good behavior, with provisions designed to prevent offenses and keep society harmonious. In the first section, we delve into the concept of security for keeping the peace on conviction, which includes Section 106. This provision is designed to maintain peace following a conviction. It acts as a safeguard, ensuring that an individual who has been convicted of a crime is kept under check, preventing them from causing further disturbances. By doing so, it helps maintain the overall peace and order of society. Then we move to the second part, security for keeping the peace in other cases, and security for good behavior. This section extends from Section 108 to Section 119. This part of the chapter broadens the scope of maintaining peace and good behavior beyond just individuals who have been convicted. It emphasizes the importance of every individual's role in maintaining peace and ensuring good behavior. It's about keeping society running smoothly and harmoniously, beyond the courtroom and into everyday life. Finally, we arrive at proceedings in all cases subsequent to order to furnish security, which stretches from Section 120 to Section 126A. This section deals with the proceedings that follow an order to provide security.